Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how to access environment variables from Python. First go to the Python terminal. For access the environment variable from Python, first of all we have to import the module OS. Then type import OS, then type os.environ. Okay, os.environ. Okay, after executing this command you can see all the environment variable in your system. Okay, all these are the environment variables and their corresponding value, and this is another environment variable and its value. Okay, you can see all the environment variable in your system. If you want to know the value of a specified variable, then type the command os.environ.get and that variable name. Okay, here I am going to type this variable name, window id, quotes, window id, then run that command. Here you can see the value of that variable, environment variable name. Okay, and hope you guys get how to access the environment variable from Python. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.